Welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. Today I'm going to be taking down Christmas decorations, doing some cleaning, some laundry. This was actually filmed just a couple days after Christmas. As I'm picking up, I'm also going to show you guys some of the things that I got for Christmas that's still laying around the house. I have a tiny bit of footage from Christmas Eve and Christmas. The kids each opened up a gift on Christmas Eve and they got a Heritage Collection Monopoly game and a Scrabble, and we spent Christmas Eve night playing Monopoly and teaching them how to play Monopoly, all while the Santa tracker was on TV. We had snacks, and I'll show you guys a little bit more of the game in a little bit. This is pretty much the only thing I filmed on Christmas Day. Brennan made a prime rib and I made broccolini and crispy potatoes. Christmas was very relaxing. It was the first time we've ever spent Christmas just us four in our home, because the week prior we all went on a big family vacation. So that's why we are at home for Christmas this year. Christmas was 2 days ago and it's time to start cleaning up. We've been putting everything off. We've been literally doing nothing. As you can see, I have laundry I need to fold, dishes as always. I still have to put away some of my gifts. So as I pick up, I'll show you guys what I got. So the goal for this video is not really to deep clean. I just want to put things back where they belong, find homes for the new things, and just do like some light cleaning, wipe the countertops down, just reset my house really, and get the laundry done. Once Brandon takes down the trees, I'm gonna mop the floors, but that won't be in this video. All right, here's the first gift I'm stumbling upon that I'm going to be putting away. I got these for Christmas. These are the UGG Tasmans and I love them. I'm just spraying the countertops down with a vinegar and water mixture. Then I'm going to make sure it's nice and dry because I'm going to use the countertop to fold laundry. Now that the laundry is put away, I'm gonna start on the Christmas decorations, and I always start with the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna take all the ornaments down and put those back in the bin. Like I said in my Christmas setup video, I try to keep my bins kind of organized by how I decorate in the house. It just makes things easier when you are setting up for Christmas. So all the ornaments on this tree go in the same storage container. This is a mix of shatterproof and glass ornaments, using packing paper to wrap the glass ornaments up, and the shatterproof ones I just place in the bin.
Damaged.
Once I finish taking down the ornaments off of this tree, I'm gonna leave the trees up until tomorrow, and Brandon will take the boxes out of the attic and put the trees away. So after I'm done with that, I'm just gonna move on to the other decorations.
Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
I got another pair of Uggs for Christmas. These are the Ultra Minis, I believe. Love these.
My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose, step on my rose, step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
I cannot wait to deep clean my kitchen. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it, but if I do, it'll be really soon.
That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose.
Brandon got me the YSL Libre perfume. I've never smelled this before, so this was a total shock, and it's my favorite perfume. Got a new passport cover. Definitely wanted one of these because we're going to be moving soon. Here are the games that I showed you guys earlier. The kids opened on Christmas Eve. They come in these mahogany, like wooden boxes that are so good, and I love them because they look good like in a cabinet or on a table somewhere in your home, almost as like decor, but they're also functional because they're games. Now we kind of want a little collection of these, so I'll pick them up as I see them, whether they're in those mahogany boxes or just really nice packaging. Anytime I take down Christmas decorations, I like to keep my house kind of bare for a couple days before I start redecorating it to my everyday decor. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. I'm going to leave my coffee table like it is, my little side table like it is. I'm not going to do anything. Honestly, it's kind of refreshing to have just a bare space for a little bit. It also allows me to figure out how I want to decorate, if I want to rearrange things or what I need to get out of our storage bins, things like that. So leaving it bare like this is kind of like a breath of fresh air. I'm not going to be cleaning off the dining room table because the kids are working on their Lego sets. They've been working on it all day long, so I'm going to leave it as is. They're almost done, and when they're done, I can wipe the table down. Last but not least, I'm taking all the Christmas decorations out of the powder room, and that'll be it for our downstairs Christmas decorations. Brandon went to the grocery store to pick up a few things that the kids needed for Christmas break, and then also what we needed for dinner for tomorrow. So I'm going to take everything out and show you guys what we got. Quick little overview of everything he picked up. He's going to be making ribs for dinner tomorrow, so he picked some of those up. Some smoothie pouches. We needed some more rice. We got mac and cheese for the kids, chips for him and the kids. We love soup dumplings, so we got a bunch of those. Andouille sausage for jambalaya I'm going to be making. A random pot pie. Mushrooms, breakfast sausage, butter, and seaweed. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.